Hi friends, welcome to my channel. If you have not subscribed, kindly subscribe and press the bell icon to receive updates. Today we have a video on the new boAt Airdopes Atom 83. I bought this from boAt website for Rs 1299. The packing looks simple and colorful. I bought the blue color one. The hashtag do what floats your boat looks attractive. The price on the pack is Rs 4490, but I bought it for Rs 1299. I will leave the link in description if you are interested to purchase. Now let us see some of the main features. Inside the box we have the Airdopes warranty card, some booklets, sticker, additional ear tips and a Type-C charging cable. The case is looking cute, small and handy. A single LED charge indicator is there below the boAt logo. The USB Type-C port for charging is on the bottom. The lid is easy to open and the case is of good quality. The double color on the Airdopes looks stylish. The Airdopes feel light. There are no separate volume controls. The L and R markings on the Airdopes are easily visible. Buttons or CTC on both sides help to navigate through various tracks, receive and reject calls, etc. Please see the description for more details. To connect, take the Airdopes out or just open the case. Switch on the Bluetooth on the phone. Airdopes Atom 83 will be listed. Click to pair. Next time it easily pairs once we open the lid as it uses the Insta wake and pair technology. When we put the earbuds back and close the case, they will automatically disconnect. Once we open the lid, they will connect automatically. The magnets on both the earbuds keep them firm and prevents from accidentally falling from the case. The buds are fitting comfortably in my ears. We can change the ear tips to adjust the size. A pair of small and large ear tips are provided. The sound quality is really good. The mids and highs and vocals are clear. The 13mm driver produces punchy bass. These Airdopes are made for the bass lovers. The ENx Technology cancels out the background noise so that voice calls are clear. The Beast mode for gaming can be activated by tapping 3 times on the CTC of left earbud. This mode provides a low latency of 50 ms. The gaming experience is immersive. I mostly listen to music and watch movies and game less. The AAC codec support helps to deliver better sound output. We can charge the case using a power bank or a Type-C adapter. While charging, the LED becomes green and blinks slowly. Once the charging is complete, the blinking stops and LED switches off. The total charging time is 2 hours. Once charged, we can enjoy a total of 50 hours with the case. boAt Airdopes Atom 83 is the one for music and game lovers. The punchy bass gives a more immersive effect. Hope you enjoyed the video. Kindly subscribe to the channel, share and comment. We'll meet soon with another interesting video. Till then, goodbye.